Hello, Oliver Lepke here, and in this video I'm going to explain what is affiliate marketing, how it works, and how you can benefit from that. So, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing where you promote, recommend other people's or other businesses' products or services, and you get paid when sale is made. So, performance-based means no sales, no profit, no commission, no income. Okay, so you find a company. I'm going to give you an example. You find a company, and once you find a good company that offers affiliate marketing, you would sign up with that company and you would receive your unique ID or special link, unique link that you can start promoting. And then you can promote this link in your videos, in your emails, in your marketing material. And when somebody uses that link, they click on that and they make a purchase and they buy a product from that company. Then this company will give you a percentage of profit that they make. So if the product is $100 and your commission is 10%, then you get $10. And you can repeat that as many times as you want. Now, there are many companies who are doing affiliate marketing. One of them is Amazon. Another one is ClickBank. Like so many of them, there are literally hundreds, there are literally thousands of companies that are offering affiliate marketing. The problem is with these many of these companies that the percentage is small and these companies are oversaturated. There are just too many people trying to sell the same product. For example, Amazon. Everybody knows Amazon. Oh, let me do Amazon affiliate marketing, right? And Amazon, on top of that, so it's saturated, and on top of that, the commission is small. You get only 5 to 10%. On some items or some hot categories, you get like 15% profit or commission, right? So it's very small and saturated market. Now, what you need to do, or what we need to do, is find a niche, something that we like, something that we enjoy. So if you're in health and wellness, if you're enjoying some products, then find a company that offers affiliate marketing so that you find your niche and then you start promoting that. And there are companies actually that are paying like almost 50% on these products. There's a company called Forever Living Products. And this company offers up to 48% on retail profits. So when you sign up as an FBO or as an affiliate marketer with Forever Living, you can start marketing products right away and get easy 30% profit and then 35, and you can qualify as you make more sales, you can qualify for 48% profit on all the products that are being sold. So pretty good. Now, if you don't know how all this works, and if you don't know how to create links, how to market it, I mean, creating links is relatively easy, but the issue is once you have a link, where do you put them? Where do you market them? How do you put them in front of the people who are interested to buy those products? Because for any product that exists, for example, collagen. Collagen helps with hair, with skin, with nails, with joint issues, etc. So such product is very desirable, and a lot of people are looking to improve their skin, their nails, etc. Or maybe they have some joint issues. So how do we put this product in front of those people? That's the challenge. Now, the good news is this. The good news is that I'm putting a special course. I'm creating a course that you can take and go through this course, learn about marketing, learn about affiliate marketing, learn how to create proper marketing material, and then put this marketing material in front of the people who are actually interested what you're offering. So I'm creating this course, and while I'm preparing this course, I'm inviting you to actually get on my list and be informed and be the first person to know when this course is ready, so I can send you a message, email you, and tell you, hey, this course is ready, here it is, take a look. If you like it, take the course, and if not, perfectly fine. But at least you're going to have a chance to take a look and consider to learn more how to do affiliate marketing properly, professionally, so that you don't have to chase other people who may not be interested. So that way you're contacting Mike. Hey, Mike, do you want to improve your skin? And Mike is going to be like, what? What do you mean? My skin is fine, right? So it really becomes a professional way of doing affiliate marketing in network marketing. So get on this link. I'm going to post this link here around this video so you can get on the list and be informed as soon as this course is ready. That's one thing. Another thing is I'm going to be offering some coaching because I've been helping and coaching many other people, and every so often people have been reaching out to me and asking me, Oliver, I need some help, I need some direction. I know I'm not in your team, I know I'm not in your company, but I would like to get your coaching. Do you offer coaching? And so far I have not been offering coaching, but I decided, because people have been asking me, I decided to offer some coaching as well. And I'm going to be offering some coaching to few selected people that I'm going to be personally working with together with the course, and then offer some coaching who need special coaching, that needs specific directions, that need additional attention, so that they can learn more about the details and how to do the things exactly. Because once you go through the course, you will learn a lot, but also there's a lot of things that you will need to do by yourself. Now, with the coaching behind that, then you will get all the details and you will know exactly what to do. When it comes to affiliate marketing, I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 15 years. I have a lot of experience, and I also have a lot of marketing experience, and I also have completed my computer science degree. So all the technical knowledge and technical details, I have it in my pockets, and I'm willing to share it with you to help you grow your network marketing business with affiliate marketing. And so if you're interested, just get on the list and I will let you know as soon as I have this program ready for you. Other than that, thanks for stopping by to check out this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.